This video I will show what happens when you want to actually serve an image file that has the licenses. This is not the wrong terminal, of course. So I'm serving here some images, and I connected VNC here. If I go into refresh, I will see it. I disconnected network deliberately, and we'll see in another video how the logo and like the descriptions are made. So if I go ahead and do install here and tell it yes, check it out. It says like, hey, I'm a custom license, respect me, or at least accept me. I made it like myself. Wow, so sophisticated. And I accept it, and then there'll be like the release notes. So if I go, I can import at each one of them, and otherwise I will have my images. I already showed like how to make like these marketing things, and that's all I wanted to show on this aspect. Now, how did I create it? So the way I created it was as follows. I just want to quickly wait for it to like finish. And this is like the image file that I have. And if I actually stop serving it before the end of it, it will not be very happy. Okay. So now I say, hey, we're done. I'll return to menu because I will probably want to do other things like with the installer. So what exactly do I have here? So this is the difference because this I will not put in the Git repo that I will publish. And I actually put here like license files, custom license, release notes, and I put the accept license here that you could see that doesn't do anything right now. Why doesn't it do anything right now? Simply because I do not have like the auto install feature here. All right. So the files themselves, they're pretty trivial. These are what we have here. Okay. And if I wanted to go ahead and put the and like rebuild, so Tezi build, sorry, and I would want to just do the auto install, then I will now build it. It will take a little bit. I'll talk about, sorry, there is the same image here, so let me remove it. It will take a little bit time because I have here, because I'm actually downloading something like from the internet. I'm not using like the local method, but it happened quite fast. And yeah, I mean, I didn't have any significant customization. So, I mean, by the time I finish talking, it will finish. So I did this. I have a script I'll talk about later. This actually serves like my assets. So I'll just tell it that it's like on the output directory. It modified like the marketing and the logo. And these things, I think I'll also update them like to Git files. Not the licensing stuff. This is why I do it separately. But now if I serve the image, and this is also why I kept doing it like here. I refresh it. Look, if I just connect it, look, it accepted everything and it installs automatically. If I reset like my system, and this I could do with the other file that we have, that is, how did I call it, output directory. If in wrap up, like we do reboot here, then it will reboot automatically, okay? So here we have like our animations, and once again, I will just return to the menu. So these are the differences between, I mean, even if you like provide a license or like accept it, then you must actually do it. And you must either do the auto install or remove the licensing files to actually have automatic installation. So I think this is useful. It will probably be useful to future me. So with this, I will end this recording. So yeah, so that's it. Thank you for watching. And know what, if it's useful, let me know.